stop filing patents. I want you to do this instead. So watch this video. Okay, first of all, I'm not a patent attorney and I'm not giving you legal advice. I'm going to give you business advice from someone that has filed a lot of patents and knows when and how to file them correctly. Okay, let's start. If you go ahead and have this great idea, and out of fear, you go ahead and file a non-provisional patent application, like filing for a real patent, you might be filing too early. And if you file too early, which is very expensive, it could cost tens of thousands of dollars, and you might realize, oops, I didn't do my homework, I have to file something else because I didn't see everything, and I filed too early because I didn't test the market, and I just didn't know exactly what was important. So this is what I want you to do instead. I want you to file a provisional patent application. It's called a PPA, and it's really affordable to do, and you can do it yourself. The wonderful thing about a provisional patent application, it gives you 1 year of patent pending status that allows you to test the market to see if anybody even wants your invention or your idea. That's the one thing I love about a provisional patent application. And guess what? You can do it yourself. I have a lot of videos here on inventRightTV to kind of explain what's important when you do file a provisional patent application, so find those videos. But I'm here to tell you, the strategy here is to do your homework before you even file your provisional patent application. I'll give you an example. You want to look at similar products on the market to make sure yours is unique. You want to make sure you do have a point of difference. Maybe search for prior patents to make sure you really have a new idea. Those are things you can do before you even file your provisional patent application. It's easy to do. Keep on watching this video. So here it is. Stop filing those patents so quickly. Take a deep breath. Don't, out of fear from someone telling you you need to file a patent quickly, do your homework. Look at filing a provisional patent application. It's easy to do. You can do it yourself. That way you can test the market first. So this is Stephen Key. Thanks for watching this video. And keep on watching our videos on inventRightTV because I'm going to show you exactly how to protect those ideas. I'm going to show you exactly how to reach out to companies. I'm going to show you exactly of things to avoid, but also I'm going to show you how to license those great ideas that you have. So this is Stephen Key. Thanks for watching.